Hey guys, welcome back to Karan's Cuisine. For today's video, I'll be making paneer or Indian cottage cheese. For this, you need 4 cups or a little bit less than a liter of milk, 3/4 to 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar or lemon and lime juice. These are like both acids and they help the milk curdle, but you can also use 1/4 to 1/3 cup of yogurt, which is less acidic, so only use it if you have non-pasteurized milk, but yogurt makes it like creamier and softer, so it's the way to go. The first step is to boil your milk until it's at boiling temperature or like when it's piping hot and bubbling. I have my boiled milk ready. It's like bubbling and really hot. And now we have to add the vinegar, or if you're using lemon juice, to water to dilute it. So dilute it if you're using lemon juice or vinegar so that the paneer doesn't have like a really acidic taste when you curdle the milk. And before we add this to the milk to curdle it, we have to have everything ready so that it doesn't cook past that. And I have a cheesecloth, and you can use any like thin cloth or muslin cloth. And I'm going to add it while mixing it. And I have the cheesecloth ready so that I can cool it down and get that vinegar taste out of it by pouring water. And if that vinegar water isn't enough to curdle it completely, you can add a little bit more vinegar water just so that it curdles. Cool it down. Make sure to remove as much moisture as you can. Now set aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of setting it aside, put some sort of weight on it and then hold it together and then set it aside for another 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and it's like this, and you can cut it up into pieces however you want and put it in an airtight container and save it for about a week and use it for any paneer dish or curry that you want.